In this video, you're going to learn about how to update your profile information on the time bank so that others can get to know more about you and to help connect you into the time banking community. To edit your profile details, click on your profile name at the top right of the screen and choose Profile. And here you see what your current profile details look like to the other time bankers. They can see your name, your profile picture, anyone who's endorsed you. The number shows how many people have endorsed you, and they can click on the heart to see a list of who those people are. And some key information about you, where you're from, how long you've been a member, how many different exchanges you've had with how many members, and when you were last signed into the time bank. They can also see a bio that you've written about yourself. So to change your profile details, click the Edit button. Scroll down, and here you can set a profile picture or replace an existing profile picture. You click Browse, and here this will depend on what kind of device you're viewing this on. If you're using a mobile phone or tablet, you'll be able to select from the gallery of that device. Because this is on a computer, it pops open a folder that I've got available. So I'll click on a profile photo, click Open, and then click Upload to replace the existing profile photo. And here you can see the new profile photo. And to continue editing my profile details, I need to click Edit again and scroll down. Now the Do Not Crop Thumbnail setting means that if you have a photo that's not square, by default that will be cropped into a square. If that looks wrong, you can switch on Do Not Crop Thumbnail and it will show the entire photo instead. You should be set to active. If you ever want to stop using the time bank or go on a period of being unavailable, you can switch yourself to inactive, and then other time bankers won't see you. Enable email you can set to know if you don't have an email address. Here you can set your email address to be private so the other members can't see it. If it's set to private, only time bank coordinators can see it. If you set it not private, then all members of your time bank will be able to see your email address and email you directly without sending a message through the time banking website. Your primary phone or alternate phone and mobile phone you can set to private or public here, and it's the same way. If they're set to private, only the coordinators can see those details. If they're set not private, then all time bank members can see those details. Scrolling down further, there's a bio that you can write. You can put here whatever you like, and you can use this little box to see the full details. Drag this up and down, and it's a good idea to write about what you're passionate about, a bit about yourself, who's important in your life, and the interests, skills and talents that you want to share with the others through time banking. Rather than going into detail in the bio about these skills and talents and interests that you want to share, please create offers to do that, because these are much easier for other time bankers to find. We'll go into that in a different video. Scrolling down further, there's name details, any organisation, if it's an organisational member, address details, phone numbers and email address, and emergency contact info. Please put here the name or names of your emergency contacts, just in case the time bank needs to contact them in an emergency, and please make sure that you put full names, their relationship to you, and phone numbers which the time bank can contact them on. Mobile phones are recommended, but whatever phone number is most likely to get through to them. Then when you're finished updating these details, click the Save button or click Cancel if you change your mind. And finally, you can change your password through the User Password button, and this also shows your username, which for most people will be your email address. Here you can set a new password by typing in the same password twice. You can use the little eye icon to see the password that you've typed in if you need, and here it describes the restrictions around what you need in your password, at least 8 characters, at least one uppercase character, one lowercase character, a number, and one special character such as a hash, $, or some other type of symbol. And then when you've finished entering the password, click Save. The My Attributes button lets you set additional information about yourself, such as gender or other information, if your time bank has configured this. Please speak to a time bank coordinator if you're interested in this. And that's it for how to edit your profile.